Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So another very important video for all the college students as well as school students, because in this video we are going to discuss about Delhi University, whether it's going to open soon or not, and what is going on in IP University, whether it has opened or not, and later we will discuss about the date sheet of classes 10th and 12th that is most probably going to be announced tomorrow. So watch the complete video, and if you are watching Kingdom of Learning for the first time, you can subscribe to it, because here you will get not only educational news, rather you will get a chance to improve your English also. So let's start. So let me tell you that first of all we will discuss about DU, then we will discuss about IP University, and then at last we will discuss about CBSE. So you can skip the video according to your interest if you want. And yes, don't forget to like the video. So now let us discuss about Delhi University. So you know that Manish Sisodia has recently announced that Delhi University is going to open. Means he has not particularly talked about Delhi University, but he made an announcement that 9th and 11th classes can be called to the schools from 5th of February. Plus he made this declaration that apart from that, all the diploma and degree colleges, institutions in Delhi are allowed to open from 5th of Feb. So now we are discussing, means all the children, all the students who are in colleges, they are just wondering whether it applies to first year and second year students also, because from today Delhi University has opened its gates for third year students, right? So we know that today is 1st of February and third year students are allowed to go to their colleges for practical work or even for classes, for libraries or anything. And if we talk about first and second year students, so are they allowed to go to their university or not, that is still a suspense. So what are the chances? Means is it possible that Delhi University is going to open full-fledged in this month of February from 5th of Feb only or not? So I think the thing is that actually recently there was a strike by students also, like they also protested against Delhi University, in which they said that when everything is getting open, why not DU? Means why only education has been stopped. And if we talk about other things, like from today even cinema halls are also going to open full-fledged from today, from 1st of February. Like everything is getting opened. And when schools are opening, like school students are younger than the college students, then why not colleges? So there are chances like that now government has given its nod to the colleges and to the universities to reopen their gates for their students. Now everything is upon the universities and colleges. And as far as Delhi University is concerned, if we talk about St. Stephen's, they have already opened their hostels for all the students. Means not only for third year students, rather for first year and second year also they have opened their hostels, because due to poor data and network problem, many students are not able to attend their online classes, and they were facing problems, so they requested their college and they opened their hostels for all the students. So students are coming back to the hostels. So we can see it as an indication that students also want the colleges should open. Means I think most of the students want this thing, only few may not want it. And colleges are also considering all these points. So there is high possibility that very soon colleges will open for first year and third and second year students as well. So but there may be some delay, because there are so many preparations to be done. So hopefully Delhi government has given this permission. So DU means Vice Chancellor has already been given permission by central government as well. So now it is everything in the hands of the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University, like he would decide. And they have started calling their 100% staff also from today. So when staff would be available in the university, definitely they will open their colleges also. So there is high probability, there is high chance that DU is also going to open for all the students. So let's see what happens. I think within 1 or 2 days everything will be made clear, and we request Delhi University that everything should be clarified so that there shouldn't be any doubt left. Okay, so now we move on to our second thing, that is IP University has opened or not. So as far as IP University is concerned, like we can say that officially it has not opened, but as online classes are going on, but in their online classes only, teachers have started asking the students to come to the colleges for libraries or for any other work. Means students are allowed to go to the colleges to get their books issued from the library, and they can go there for any other work if they have any doubts or anything for practical work and all. IP University has already almost opened, means classes are going on online only, but you can say unofficially students are going to the colleges. Means many students are going there, seniors are inviting their juniors, even some parties are going on, and they are like they all are getting together inside the college or outside the college. Means everything has almost started in IP University. Only one official notification is to be waited ki now the university is opened fully. So now as the government has allowed, so IP University is also likely to open offline classes for all the year students, all year students I mean. So we have to see this thing, that if you are from IP University, I think you may agree with me that you must have gone to your college 2-3 times at least now, right? So now we will move on to our third thing, that is CBSE date sheet is going to be announced tomorrow. So this is not some guesswork or something like that, rather you can see that our HRD minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, when he declared about the dates for examinations of classes 10th and 12th board exams on 31st December, he made this announcement that this year the board exams would be conducted in the month of May, 4th May. He gave this date, and since then speculations are going on ki when will the date sheet be announced. So finally it has come in the news that now date sheet will be announced on 2nd of February. So 2nd of February is tomorrow only. So now we have to see what date sheet would be announced, and but in the meanwhile we have come to know that students are like protesting against these board exams. Like there are many students who don't want that these board exams should be conducted, because the thing is that these board exams are going to be conducted in an offline mode. So offline means classes have been held online throughout the year, but now the schools have been opened for 10th and 12th class, and now for 9th and 11th also. So these 2 months, like 3 months are there, February, March and April. So these 3 months would be enough to complete their syllabus. That is difficult to believe, because their pre-boards would be there, their practicals would be conducted, and there are so many other activities and formalities are also there. So now it is very interesting to see ki how the schools manage to complete their everything before 4th of May. Like exams are going to start from May, but I think by the month of April they would have to wind up everything. Then only students would be ready to face their board exams. So now we have to see ki what date sheet is announced tomorrow, and whether it will be announced or not, because sometimes there are certain delays, and whatever announcements are made by the government, sometimes they may get delayed also, but hopefully we can hope that it would be fine for everybody. And now we if we want to see whether students have started going to the schools or not, so you can see outside the schools students have started going. Initially very less number of students were going, but now day by day the number is increasing, because initially the parents were apprehensive about the health hazards or health issues related to their children, like they were getting scared ki what would happen or not. But now we can see that corona cases are receding day by day, and the situation is getting better in Delhi. So everything is getting better day by day, so we also hope that the anxiety and the stress of students will also reduce little bit. So it's all in your hands to take care of your mental and physical health. Now not much time is left, so you all have to start prepping up for your board exams. Leave everything. I know that online classes have not been very fruitful for all the children. For very few students have attended them regularly, so now you have to go to your schools and you have to attend their your offline classes whensoever they are scheduled, and you have to make your studies your priority. So I think I have provided complete information to college students as well as school students. So guys, if you have still not subscribed to Kingdom of Learning, do it fast and share this video with your friends also, because it's very useful information for all of you. And give the video a thumbs up. Thank you everybody.